Are you ready to unravel the mysteries of annuities and their role in your retirement planning? Join us for an engaging session where we'll demystify annuities, break down the differences between taxable and tax-deferred growth, and compare them to popular retirement savings vehicles like 401ks and IRAs. Whether you're a novice seeking to build your financial literacy or a seasoned saver looking for a refresher, this workshop is designed to equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your golden years. But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know that understanding the nuances of annuities can significantly impact your retirement income strategy? And this is the part most people miss. Knowing which type of annuity best suits your financial goals can make all the difference. Register now for our virtual program led by Thom Rindahl, a seasoned financial educator based in Tempe, Arizona. With over 2 decades of experience, Thom has guided countless families and business owners through the complexities of personal finance. As a member of the Association of Financial Educators, he's dedicated to empowering individuals with the tools they need to achieve financial security. To secure your spot, simply contact Thom Rindahl at trindall@truewest.org or call 602-540-1044. Remember, this is a virtual event, so you can join from the comfort of your own home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to boost your financial IQ. Register today and take the first step towards a more secure retirement. And while we've covered the basics, what are your thoughts on annuities? Are they a crucial part of your retirement plan? Or do you think there are better alternatives? Share your insights in the comments below.